Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to practice your skills on the ELSA Speak application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the this book icon down below and click on skills. Here you can find a bunch of skills. Skill 1, linking sound. Skill 2, the flap sound. Skill 3, dropping consonants. Skill 4, S as Z sound. So you have a bunch of exercises here, so tap on the first skill. Here you can check out the relevant video in the middle of the screen to learn more about this skill. After watching, tap on the next button, and here you can read about linking sounds. Tap on got it, and here you can start practicing by tapping on the start button. So you should tap on this microphone icon if you are ready to speak. This is, and then you are going to get a feedback. Tap on the arrow pointing to the right direction down below, and you will be able to proceed. So here you should pronounce this phrase, this is good, and if you are ready, tap on the microphone icon, this is good, and you're going to get the result here. It says excellent, you sound like a native speaker. So that's how you should proceed. Here you can check out the pronunciation by clicking on the speaker.
This is good.
You can make it sound slower.
This is good.
And basically that's it. You can proceed by tapping on this arrow.
What's up?
And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.